In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void or delete a paid invoice in QuickBooks Online. This walkthrough is perfect if you need to correct an invoice that was marked as paid or deposited by mistake. I'll show you where to click, what each option means, and how to confirm the result so your records stay accurate. Start by opening your QuickBooks Online company. From the left menu, go to Sales. Depending on your version, this might be labeled Get Paid and Pay. Both take you to the same place where invoices live. Next, open your list of invoices. You can click Invoices directly, or choose All Sales if you prefer seeing everything in one place. If you use All Sales, consider filtering by transaction type to focus on invoices only. You're looking for the invoice that shows a status of paid or deposited. Use the search bar or filter by status to find it faster. Open the invoice, then look toward the top right corner of the page for a drop-down menu. This is where you'll find the options you need. In some layouts, this might appear as a More Actions menu or a three dots icon. If you see a small trash bin icon, that's the delete shortcut. We'll talk about that in a moment. From the drop-down, choose either void or delete, then confirm when prompted. Here's the difference. Void keeps the invoice in your records but removes the payment status, essentially returning it to an open or unpaid state. This is a safer choice when you want to preserve the invoice number and history while correcting the payment. Delete removes the invoice entirely along with its payment. Use delete carefully because it eliminates the transaction and may affect your accounting and reports. After you confirm, check the result. If you chose void, the invoice should now display as open or unpaid. If you chose delete, the invoice will no longer appear in your list. If your version shows options at the bottom of the invoice, you might also see void or delete there. Either location works. And if you prefer using icons, the trash bin is the delete action. Before you finish, consider whether voiding rather than deleting better supports your audit trail. If you're unsure, voiding is often the safer first step. And if the invoice was linked to a bank deposit, you may need to review that deposit afterward to keep everything aligned. That's it. Navigate to Sales, open Invoices, find the paid invoice, use the drop-down, and choose Void or Delete. Then confirm and verify the status.